Hollywood Fashion Secrets original fashion tape is now available in liquid form. I'm so excited to share secret number 18, liquid fashion tape, the perfect product to keep everything from garments to glitter in place. The fluid adhesive moves with your body, making it perfect for athletes, performers, and individuals with active lifestyles. And the roll-on applicator makes it super easy to apply to all areas of the body. For best results, make sure your skin is clean, dry, oil, and lotion-free. Then simply apply the adhesive onto the desired area, wait 15 to 30 seconds for it to become tacky, then press and smooth your garment or accessory of choice into place. Removal is also super easy. Gently lift the garment or accessory off of the skin, wash the area with warm water and soap, and clean the garment as you usually would. Hollywood Fashion Secrets clear, flexible, long-lasting, and sweat-resistant liquid fashion tape makes sure that you're the one making moves and not your clothes.